Hello, some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can change the address for a ACT broadband connection. For that, guys, just raise a ticket in your ACT Fibernet app. You will get a simple link that is sos.actcorp.in/shift connection, where you want to shift from the old location to the new location. Click on that particular link. So here name, account number, current address, which was your previous address, will be automatically updated if you are doing it from your registered mobile number. Also select the city which variant want to shift. And now you can enter the address here. So once you have entered that, one more thing is multi-storied building, 4 or more floors. If the current location where you're going to shift the location of act is having 4 or more floors, you can give it as yes or you can give it as no. Also, you can enter the apartment building name. So once you have entered that, click on proceed. So next is please proceed to book an appointment. You can add the date here. Now, after that, the terms and condition will come. So these are all terms and condition and click on submit. Thank you for getting in touch with us. This is service request registered with our team. This pops up, and then if you go to your Act Fibernet app, the ticket will be in progress. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.